Hey guys, welcome back my channel. Back to my channel, and today I'll show you any a strategy how to make a much profit from Binance future trade, and making money is easy for me because I know I have experience 5 year experience in crypto and future trade. So today I'll show you instant profit and live trade. Okay, stay with us for the live trading. Okay. First, if you have a Binance account, if you don't have any Binance account, then check the description box and click the my referral link and join. If you use my referral link, then you will get a extra USDT bonus. So you must have to join with my referral link for my any kind of help. If you use my referral link, then I will help you in every situation. My Telegram ID in the description box. You can DM me. I will share with you about my a strategy or about any kind of help. Okay, so let's go. If possible, I will take a live trade and I will show you guys how to make a big profit every day from the future trade with no loss. Okay, but remember guys, everything have a risk, but if you know the a situation, you will down the risk percentage. Okay, so today I will take a I will open a bet at sorry, my internet connection was not ready. Today I will place a bet if possible. So let's wait what will happen. This is looks this looks good, and okay, I will open a trade here. So that here is my one trade running right now. Let's go with open a buy. My order is open, so I will open the video after buy complete. Yes, my order is open, and I will make a quick profit from here. So let's see guys, if let's wait for a minute. So checking the my internet is slow. So please, if you need any kind of help, you can text me in Telegram. So I will help you. But remember, you have to use my must be use my referral link for all kind of help. Okay, I'm at $1 loss right now, but it will make me more profit within some minutes. Just wait and see. I know because I know the strategy, I know the tricks. That's why I know how to make a profit from here. I will close the trade at $11 profit. That means 10% or 12% profit within just some minutes. So I will take a this here. I will open my video after I will touch the um, profit. I will touch the profit. Okay. So guys, let's wait for some huge profit. You can earn lots of money by future trade if you know the if you have experience, if you know the strategy. Okay, otherwise you will be lose in every moment. It will touch the 860 100% sure. I'm 100% sure. Okay, so let's see. You can check the time, you can check the chart after that video. You can also check is touch it or not. Okay, so let's see, wait and see guys. It will take some time, so I cannot be long this video. So I will share the history tomorrow after next video. I will show you the profit. So goodbye, hope you enjoy the video. If you want to know the my experience and strategy, then you must have to join with my referral link and then text me on Telegram. Okay, bye bye guys, see you soon in the next video. Comment now what kind of video you want.